the track's most spectacular campsites and a great reward after a day's hike.
Oh, wait for me.
Some of the worst acting. The section of track we're walking for this episode is an important drinking water catchment area for the Kalgoorlie and the Goldfields. Located within pristine forest, it's important that this area remains unpolluted. The Bibbulmun Track is the only recreational facility permitted in this area, and it's for that reason that we must hike multiple days as there is no car access within the water catchment areas surrounding the Helena River.